Okay, in this question, we're required to calculate the permutations based on the word conclude. Okay, in part A, we want to find the different number of permutations to have all the consonants together. So what I've done is we have placed all the consonants together and all the vowels together. So by doing that, we actually have 4 different ways, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So as you can see here, I placed 5 consonants together, followed by 3 vowels. The second way is 1 vowel, followed by 5 consonants and 2 vowels. The third way will be 2 vowels, followed by 5 consonants and 1 vowel. And finally, 3 vowels in front, followed by 5 consonants behind. So the consonants are C, N, C, L, and D. The vowels are O, U, and E. So the permutations that we have to calculate this based on this. Firstly, 5 permutate 5, that's because the 5 consonants, we permutate 5 positions. Now the reason why we divide by 2 is because there's a repeated C. So that's why the consonants are based on 5 permutate 5 divided by 2. Multiplied by 3 permutate 3. This is for the vowels. We have 3 different vowels and we permutate 3 positions. And finally, we multiply by 4. That's because there are 4 possibilities. So simplifying this, we get 60 times 6 times 4. And therefore, there are 1440 ways to permutate having the consonants together. Part B. We want to calculate the number of permutations beginning with a consonant and ending with a vowel. So I place a simple table like this. So we may start with a C, an N, L, or a D, and we need to end with either a E, O, or U. So if we start with C, the permutations will be 6 permutate 6. That's because there will be 6 positions here to permutate 6 letters. We have to multiply by 3 because there are 3 possibilities for the vowels. It may end with an E, an O, or a U. So that's why if we start with a C, we have to take 6 permutate 6 positions multiplied by 3. Now, if we start with an N, or an L, or a D, we take 6 permutate 6 positions. However, we have to divide by 2 or multiply by half. That's because if we start with an N, L, or D, you notice that the letter C will be repeated. And therefore, we have to permutate it with 6 positions. However, we divide by 2. Similarly, we will end with either a E, O, or a U. Therefore, the permutations is 6 permutate 6 positions divided by 2 multiplied by 3. Now, since N, L, and D, and if we start with N, L, or D is similar, so we simply just multiply by 3 times of it. So altogether, there will be 6 permutate 6 positions multiplied by 3, giving us 2160, plus 6 permutate 6 positions divided by 2 multiplied by 3, and then we multiply by 3 again because there are 3 possibilities. So the answer for this part is 5400. Finally, we want to have the vowels all together. Now this is actually very similar to part A. It's just that we want to group the vowels together. And for this case, we actually have 6 possibilities. As you can see from the listing here. Now, by working out the permutations, we find that it's actually 360. Each permutation is actually worth 360. So since there are 6 possibilities, we simply multiply by 6. 6 times 360. And it gives us the answer 2160. And with that, that is the answer for this question. Thank you.